So yesterday, you guys saw, we picked up the new hubs for the front of the Savoy, and for the life of me, I cannot get the bolts holding the caliper on to break free. They will not come free. So today, gonna take them to the hobby shop, put them in the vise, and I'm gonna try and use their impact gun on there, and see if I can't break them free. If not, I'm gonna bust out the massive breaker bar and give it one last try. Then if both of those things don't work, which they should and better work, but if they don't for some reason, back to the junkyard, pulling off another hub off a different Golf 3, and I don't know, I just hope this goes well. And then also while I'm there, I'm gonna go ahead and use their press this hub and the bearing out of both of these ones. That way it's ready to go and I can paint them. And then once the new bearings come in, it's just ready to put right in there. And for the third day in a row, the hobby shop. And there's a nice 32 GTR. We're gonna park right next to him. Ooh, I think it's clean. Ooh. Oh, it cleaned. And then right over there in bay number 4, you can see it's a silver wagon. I can't remember the name of it, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people do like the R34 GTR front end conversions on those wagons. They make like a GTR wagon, and they're super cool. There's 2 on base. They both have like the normal stock front ends, but I'm pretty sure that's the one that they actually do the front end conversion on it, and it looks sick. All right, we are all checked in and ready to go. It's actually pretty cool because like today I'm not using an actual bay. They just call it bench work, so I can use the bench in the back and use all the tools, the air tools, whatever else. But I don't need an actual bay, which is pretty cool. So I'm actually gonna park the car back over there in the shakes. Otherwise, it's gonna be an oven in here when I get back. All right, boys, let the fun begin. I'm gonna get this put into the vise here, and hopefully we can get these 2 broke free and this one broke free. And then after that, it's pretty simple. Then I'll move over to the press here, and I'll push the hub out, and then also pull this little clip. You can kind of see it's kind of dirty, but the little clip right there, and pop the bearing out as well. All right, so I get the hub here placed in this vise so we can have some grip on it. Just to kind of hold it if I can. All right, there's that. Let's just try my breaker bar first and see what happens if we can't get it to spin right away, which would be really nice, but we'll see. No, the device isn't tight enough. Okay. Bro, I'm actually pushing the vise apart right now. How are these that tight? I'm gonna grab the impact gun instead and try that first. This is crazy. All right, so we have our impact gun here. The good old snap-on. So we'll see what this one can do. All right, boys, say a prayer. Yes. Thank you, Snap-on. You're a good thing. Bro, those were on there so stupid tight. Whew. All right, one down. Yes. The power of Snap-on. And a massive compressor, I'm sure. Okay. Thank you. Those are out of my way. Now we just need to get this one here off, which I believe is also 17. Yeah, is that I got the nut off on this side, but it doesn't want to back free. So let me just pop this off real quick and see what happens here. There it is. Yes. Okay. Good progress. So now we can pop the ball joint out. We can get the rotor off. We'll pull the brake shield off as well. And then we're ready to go ahead and get this out of here. It actually spins really nice, but like I said, might as well put a fresh one in. Let's go. All right, so this side is all nice and disassembled. We have the ball joint out. I just used this little punch and a hammer and just tapped it from the bottom side and popped it out. We're gonna go ahead and pull the rotor off now. Get me a screwdriver, wherever that's at in here. One of these drawers has a screwdriver in it, I would say, or maybe not. There it is, this one. Yes, thank you for not being so tight. Don't be stuck on there, please. get off there. We're gonna need a, use this one, this will be fine. Why are you stuck in there so well? There she is. All right. There is our hub. Very nice. So this one is done for now until we go through and press the rest out of it. All right, moving on to hub number 2. Actually, I might even need to put it in the vise at all. I'll probably just do it right here, honestly, like this. Or not. Maybe this one? There's one. Those things are just stupid in there. All right, let's try this one again. All right, I'm gonna toss this one in the vise and see if that's gonna help at all. Hopefully it will. This thing is so heavy. You know, I'm off a bit. There we go. Okay. You want to get out of there, my friend. That's annoying. And we're on max strength as well, so. Whew, we would be down to our last bolt. It doesn't want to break free. That's annoying. All right, let me grab the big breaker bar and give that a shot. Or I'll just try this one here first. And see. No. I need to mount this in here better. Come on. Oh my God, why is it so tight? Nope. All right, well. I guess I'll try the impact one more time. Maybe I've loosened it up a little bit. Or I might need a bigger breaker bar, we'll see. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Stupid. Unnecessary. Give me this. Give me this. All right, calipers are off. Let's blast this one off real quick. All right, thank you. Okay. The annoying part is done. All right, so now we can take this out of here. We'll go ahead and put it this way. Pop the rotor off. Oh, don't do that to me. Come on. No, no, no. Ugh. Okay. I'm gonna spray that before it strips and I get very upset. We'll do the ball joint first, I guess. Out of there yet? Almost. There it is. Ball joint number 2 out of the way. Like I said, I'm gonna spray this screw down real quick just because I don't want it to strip. We've come so far, don't need to ruin it now. All right, so I've gone ahead and sprayed this. I'm gonna let that sit for just a minute. While doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and get this dust shield here popped off the hub, and it's just 2 9s, one there and one there, which shouldn't be a problem. Is it already stripped, or is it an 8? Might be an 8 actually. There's just a lot of dirt on it. Actually, where's my hole? This. There we go. Now we can see what we're doing. Thank you. Please get on there. Thank you. All right, perfect. All right, very nice. We'll keep this over here with the hardware. All right, now we have just the hub. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and press this portion here out of it, which is just this very intersection here, and once that's out, we'll do the bearing afterwards, but almost there. Okay, so here is our current situation. The set screw here, no matter how hard I try, will not budge, and I'm pretty sure if I keep trying, it's in the strip, so for right now, I'm gonna leave that alone. And then coming over here to this hub, I have used the press, I've tried a hammer. No matter what I do, this hub will not budge, like zero movement, nothing at all. I watched Greg's video, he used the press, barely tapped it, came right out. There's an auto dock video, the guy has a hammer, like one taps it in his hand, it pops right out. Dude, I don't know, like, I have the whole press here, and like, I don't know, it just, there's zero movement. So, I don't know what to do, because I can't get this off, I can't get that out, so either I just leave the wheel bearings in there, but I want to put a new rotor on this one, so that needs to come off. But either I just leave the wheel bearings in each one, or I just scrap both of these and get a new set and call it a day, because this is dumb. I want you guys to watch this. This is the auto dock video. Watch this. Pulls the hub off. Homie is holding it in his hands. Drops his socket in. And simply just taps it out. Yeah. Okay. I wish, guy. Well, there it is. She's stripped out and done. Yeah, I think I'm done with this. And now we come here and yeet. Goodbye. Going for long range. Here we go. Yeet. Oh yeah. And before anyone tries to say you could have made those work, this and that, we tried heat, we tried a press, we tried all the force and other such tricks and stuff, and it just, they weren't working. So they're in the trash now. I don't care about them anymore. I'm done with those ones. I'll grab some new ones later on for the junkyard, probably off that blue Golf. But it is what it is. There's no rush. The car's even right now, so they can ride away in there. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Another day of me getting pretty much nothing accomplished, but it is what it is. Like I said, we'll get the ones off the other Golf at some point, and hopefully those ones are less of a pain to work with. And just, I don't know, like, these things were a pain from the start, so you know what, we'll just scrap those ones, get a new set, start over, and hopefully they're much easier. On the bright side though, while I was here, Eddie, the manager, came and talked to me, so I have a meeting with him next Tuesday, so fingers crossed that works out, because that'll be really, really cool. And then I was talking to the guy with the Nissan wagon. It's actually called a Nissan Stagia. That was the name I couldn't remember, but very, very cool car. His is actually the Gen 1, he was telling me, and has the RB25 in it. It's basically like a Nissan Skyline GTST, but a wagon. And it's so, so cool. That thing is so baller. What a cool car. All right, boys, we are back home now. I was gonna go to the junkyard today, but it's like 4:30 and they close at 5, so there's no point to do that. We'll probably go there tomorrow. Actually, no, think about it, tomorrow we're probably gonna pick up wheels for the R32, so be excited for that. So sometime next week, Monday or Tuesday, head back to the junkyard, pull the hubs off that blue Mark III, and just hope those ones work out much better. I don't know if I was doing things wrong, but we tried heat, liquid wrench, we tried the press, a hammer, I tried everything physically possible, but that hub would simply not budge out of that bearing. And then same for the set screw on the rotor. I tried everything possible, heat, liquid wrench, same thing, very, very gently, and it's still stripped out. So I don't know if I was just doing it wrong or just one of those things where it just didn't work out. I mean, things happen. I know a lot of channels will make things look like it's always perfect, everything always works. It's just not the case. I mean, these parts for these Mark IIIs, they're getting very, very old, so things just happen. So hopefully, again, better luck with the next set I get, and then just go from there. Do not forget, be thankful for every single day. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.